Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
Start with what matters. Make sure you're signed into an administrator account so settings changes apply. Open Task Manager, find Windows Explorer, and click Restart. This often restores the Taskbar UI immediately. Once done, open Settings again. If it still fails, check Windows Update and install any pending critical updates, because a system patch often resolves broken shell components. If restarting Explorer didn't help, run System Integrity Tools. Open an elevated command prompt and run sfc/scano, then dism/online/cleanupimage/restore health to repair corrupted system files. Once those complete, use PowerShell to export and reset taskbar settings or create a new local user profile to isolate the issue. Make sure to check Event Viewer for repeated crashes of Shell Experience host or Start Menu Experience, so you know whether. After repairs, reboot the PC and test settings and the taskbar to confirm success. Many fixes require a restart to take effect. If the problem persists, use System Restore to go back to a known good point or perform an in-place repair install to refresh Windows without losing files. And if things still go wrong, boot into safe mode to see whether a third-party app is blocking settings.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.